In this video, I'm going to give you some ideas or some ways we've actually created ourselves at school on how to calculate number facts within our heads and using a bit of pen and paper at the same time. So first of all, we've looked at subtracting large numbers with a tens value from a given number. So here 83 take 20. So you've got 83, 73, 63. So then students can write using that same method again. So you've got 74, count back by 10, so 74, 64, 54. Rather than counting backwards, some students like to count on. So you might start with 50, so you go 50, 60, 70, 80, so I'll have 30 and 9. Let's look at that example again. 60, 70, 80, 90, so I've got 3 tens and 5 units. Two different ways of working out the same problem. We looked at adding 3 single digit numbers. There's lots of different strategies that students can use, and we've talked about different ones they can use. This one here, for example, students may choose to look for the largest number. So I know 9 and 2 is 11, plus 7 is 18. This one here, they might look and go, okay, well I know 4 and 1 is 5, and 5 and 5 is 10. So students are looking for number facts that they're familiar with and then applying them. So this one was 4 and 1 is 5, and 5 and 5 is a double. Looking at this example down here, students may work out, okay, well 6 and 4 is 10, and 8 is 18. The next one down here has a double. So students actually look at it visually and go, okay, well 4 and 4 is 8, and count on 9, 10, 11. So again, we explore a range of different ways, looking at number facts, repetition, doubles, and so forth. This next one here we looked at today actually, we're looking at 2-digit addition with skip counting. So with this one here, previously students had learnt, well, this looks way too hard, so they would set it out vertically. So they would write 13 plus 30 plus 4. Setting it out this way, we actually learnt place value. So these were your units and these were the tens, and we explored trading. Okay, so 4 and 3 is 7, 3 and 1 is 4. Okay, so what we looked at is actually today working that out a quicker way. To work it out a quicker way, once we have that solid understanding though, we can now add our units. So we've got 3 and 0 is 3, and 4 is 7. So then add the tens. 3 and 1 is 4, 47. The next one, let's add the units. 5 and 0 is 5, and 4 is 9. Add the tens. 4 and 2 is 6. Have I got one with borrowing? No, I haven't. So I'm just going to type one in here and show you how we worked it out with trading. So students might have 56. Oops. Okay, let's look at this one here using the same. So let's add the units first. So when we add the units, we've got 6 and 6 is 12. Add 5 is 17. And they carry the 1. 5 and 1 is 6. And 0 is 6. And 1 is 7. So you can see once students have the understanding of doing the vertical addition, they can apply these strategies mentally and work them out a quicker way. With the rapid recall, for Year 3, Level 8, 9 and 10 is 2s, 5s and 4 times tables. We've covered all of those. This one here is 2-digit subtraction. skip counting, which is blue number 7. We haven't looked at that one yet, but with this one here we can use a similar method. So 80 take 10 is 70, take 1 is 69. 70 take 50. Students may find that difficult, so they may choose to start off with 50 and count on to 70. So 50, 60, 70 is 20, take 2 is 18. The next one here, let's have a look. 74 take 40. Well, if we ignore the units to start off with, so let's have 70 take 40, 40, 50, 60, 70 is 30. Add the units is 34 minus 7 equals 27.